Okay, so right now I'm at the Colter Bay Visitor Center, so we're going to check it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so that was the visitor center. That visitor center is probably the biggest one I've seen in the Grand Tetons, because the Jenny Lake one was very small. That one was very big, and also this one has the auditorium. And normally when they have an auditorium in the visitor center, the visitor centers are kind of a little bit bigger. And I just got caught in with the introduction of the Grand Teton as well. And they're like 15-minute short videos, and it's always good to just go into the auditorium and watch those videos and learn about the introduction of Grand Teton. So right now I am going to do the Colter Bay hike right down there, and that one is about, it says it's like 2.5 miles. It took 48 minutes, and then that one actually connects to the Swan Lake and Heron Pond Trail. And then that kind of goes, like, once you're done with the Colter Bay one, you're going to go straight all the way down the other way. And that one is about 1 hour and 9 minutes. So I figured, because I did the hikes yesterday, I kind of want to just not push my legs like I did in Glacier National Park. Now, my legs are actually a little bit more custom than it was in Glacier National Park. To the hiking. It only takes about like 5 days for just to acclimate to the hiking and everything. But today I'm going to take it slow, go around Colter Bay, take some of the hikes around there, and then see what happens for the rest of the day, because there are some nice Tetons, the ranges, the mountains. They're all like right by the pond, and I wanted to take those pictures as well. So let's see what we can do and see what we can see. Go swim like right off the bat, and I highly recommend that you do come out here in the morning time to get your shots, because I noticed like around in the mid-afternoon, like you can barely see the Tetons because of the sun is just bearing down on it. But in the morning, they're just beautiful. Unless you're like right up on the mountains, they're very hard to see. Shame they had to empty out the bay. think the reservoir, if I remember correctly, they had to empty out the bay to go to Idaho or something like that because of the drought. If I remember correctly, and people in the, people in boats and stuff, they kind of understood because of, there's been droughts happening for a couple years. So this is what it looks like. And it's kind of, people were like, it kind of sucks. But if I remember correctly, from what I read, is that, there was a drought, there's been a drought, and a lot of this was preserved for Idaho in case they had a drought. And so this will fill up in about a couple years, they say, but it's just kind of sad to see it like this. It is. And it kind of ruins the bay shot too in the distance, I would say, but it is what it is. Okay, so what I did was I came through the amphitheater, and then it kind of branches off to the picnic area, but I'm gonna come down this trail. This should lead me to the opposite end of the bay, because I hate to say it, no one wants to look at a dried up bay. And make sure you still bring your beer spray out here. Yeah, just in case. It's got critters and they're everywhere. See every little branch is moving. I'm like, oh God, here we go. I'm telling you, I think I swear that the water came up here at some point in time, and then isn't that how it always goes with these? Look at that, guys. The paddle boat out here, canoe. Look how beautiful that is. There is some like little elevation in this, not that much, not crazy like Cascade Canyon, but it's very easy hike. Now they do tell you to stay off of the grass in many areas because, well, you stomp all over it, they got to grow back. It's not a trail. It's not a real trail. People are just, cutting over to see the shoreline. I'm like, guys can't do that. But see, this is like a little bit of elevation. If you were coming around the other way, it's a little bit of elevation. And the same way the other side as well, where I was coming from the amphitheater. It's still like when you're crossing like the part of the bay, there's a little bit of an elevation too, as well on this hike, but it's not bad. It's not crazy bad. This is very easy. Trust me, it's very easy. And this is the other side. Kind of warm. It's not cold, but it's warm. Be careful going on these rocks. You can easily sprain your ankle or break them. Or break your ankle at the same time. Don't run. And also bring bug repellent. I don't know if you see them, but they're everywhere. Yeah. So if you notice, your best spot, your shot of seeing the mountains over there is when you're on the edge towards the beach. After that, it's all nothing but forest at this point. I mean, maybe a spot of the bay, but look how far it is for you to see thick through it. So when you want to get your shot, right, go all the way around, just right on that edge part, and you'll get your shot. But if you want to just get it faster, you go around the other way, go around this way, come around. Don't do this way. I think it's a longer path for me. When I was looking at it, I was like, oh, this could be a little bit longer, or maybe not. Maybe it's not that long. But yeah, this is a nice hike. If you're in Colter Bay Village, this is a nice hike for you. If you are just passing through and you're trying to get to like more of a more scenic, more crazy hikes, keep going down to Jenny Lake. They have a lot more hikes that's more like you may see moose out there, bears, and it just, more of a scenery shots out there. And you gotta get to that parking lot fast.
Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guy Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.